already put the ground nutmeg and the ground cloves into the salmon bowl. So the nutmeg's from Southeast Asia and Indonesia, and the cloves are also from Southeast Asia. So next I'm going to put in some salt. I don't really know how much, so I'm just going to put in a good amount. And this is some cinnamon and sugar, and cinnamon is from the bark of a tree, so they like get it really thin and they scrape it down. And sugar is really well known. And that salt actually is hard to come by, or it used to be hard to come by. So I'm gonna put in some rosemary. This is all I could find, and it was founded in Europe in the Mediterranean region. So I'm just gonna put in some pieces like this because I couldn't find any others. So now I'm gonna put a piece of salmon on the skewer, and then each time I'm gonna do a bay leaf, and the bay leaf is from Indonesia. And I'm going to just put one bay leaf now, and then a piece of salmon, and then another bay leaf, and another piece of salmon. And I'm going to do one more. Okay, so I put butter on the skewers on top of the salmon and bay leaves, and the butter originated from Northern Europe. So now I'm going to put it in the oven and let it roast for 6.5 minutes. So I've melted some butter. I'm trying to make the sauce now, and I'm going to squeeze some orange in here. And oranges originated from China and then moved to India, and then later ended up in the Mediterranean region. So I'm going to add some cinnamon and sugar to the sauce. Then I'm going to take the sauce from the salmon out of the oven and add it to it as well. So now I'm going to pour the sauce from the salmon and the sauce that I made from oranges and cinnamon and pour it onto the salmon. And then I'm going to garnish it with lemon and breadcrumbs. So I'm going to put the lemon on here now too, and the lemon also originated from the Mediterranean region. Okay, so now we have the final product, which is salmon in pieces roasted.